Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LookFantastic unboxing for you. It once again arrived rather quickly, but as usual, every time I get this box and I do this, I just send a little prayer that everything is intact and nothing has broken, or is, like if there's a powder product, for example, that nothing is shattered, they have to repress it. So let's open this up and let's hope everything is good. Look at this! The QR code! Oh no. Yeah, I already know I will not use these. What is that? Oh! Okay, I'm not going to use that either. This is nice. Okay. Without further ado, oh yeah, maybe you should see what's inside here. Look at that. From what I can tell, nothing is broken, but spoiler, there is a nail polish in, and that could have easily been broken. Oh, fantastic! The box March edit. This is what this is what it looks like. Feel fantastic. Discover, learn, inspire. Okay, so it says you will receive 6 products, and then it says products may vary, but from what I can tell, everything in here. Okay, now I have an additional product. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, number 1 is something that I will probably not use because I don't use things on my brows. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius Brow Serum. I will open it up. I mean, not the actual product, but just the packaging, because I want to see what it looks like. It is actually very fancy. It's the Brow Genius. Does it have? Is it clear? It's a brow serum, so there should not be any color to it. So this is what lemon looks like. Put it back in here. Close it. There you go. 2 milliliters. Okay, let's read. Okay, so this is the deluxe size and it's worth £37. So like the full size, I guess. Powered by the brand's Brow Genius technology, this serum is expertly formulated with 6 high-performance ingredients to help manage and maintain smoother, fuller-looking eyebrows. Castor oil helps protect, condition, and nourish the brow hairs, while peptides and Korean ginseng encourage a fluffy finish. It's vegan and cruelty-free. What I will do is I will probably give this away or try to sell it or whatever. It's never been used, so I'm sure that, like, I have the mindset if someone else can use it, they should have it, right? I'm not going to use that, and it's just me using a product just to use it up. It's just not, like, it doesn't make sense to me, so I'm going to give it away. And the next product that is the full size apparently is by Gatineau, the Hydra Aura Water Cream. Long-lasting hydration for plumped, radiant skin with Burberry Fig, Velvet Seaweed, and Vitamin E. They know me so well because my current face cream that I have there's like a quarter left. So, I was on the hunt for a new one already, but I got this. So let's see what it smells like. That smells really good. Is this for the face? Or is this just for the body? Apply morning and evening over face and neck. Avoid the eye area. And see, that's making me think, like, if it's face cream but you have to avoid the eye area. Do you know how clumsy I am? Do you know how often I got mascara in my eyes? Mascara? And you would expect me to put a face cream on without getting it near my eyes? I will try that. I will try it out, definitely. But I can't guarantee success, so that's up to me, obviously. If I get it near my eyes, it's my fault, but still. It's a high chance. Alrighty, this is worth $19.99. So, like I said, it's a full size. So, $20 in my hands right now. This water fresh gel with Burberry Fig extract, shea butter, and seaweed actives promote long-lasting hydration for skin that is soft, glowing, and silky smooth. The mineral-rich velvet seaweed extract reinforces skin hydration to help achieve more youthful-looking results, whilst Burberry Fig extract aids the natural peeling process by helping to activate skin cell renewal, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidant properties of added vitamin E help to protect the skin from external pollutants. I will definitely try that one out. One product, I mean, I like the idea behind this, so I'm not mad at this. But one product I'm not using, and the one product I will use. This could be interesting. So this is the First Beauty Anti-Chafe Stick. Is that how you say it? When it's summer and your legs rub against each other, your thighs, and it gets red and inflamed and it just hurts. With shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. Safe for sensitive skin. This will come in very handy. This is nice. I've never had anything like this before. Have I even ever put anything on my thighs? I think I usually just, you know, dealt with the pain. You know, like just smart through the pain and just kept on walking. This, I think I'll put that into my travel bag because I can use it. And you know, summer's coming up and we're planning a vacation to Italy. It's either going to be Sardinia or Naples. And no matter what it is, it will be warm. And I will probably wear a short or a skirt or something and my legs will rub against each other. So long story short, I can use this. I will definitely need it. So this is the deluxe size and it's worth £9. Forming a protective shield over delicate skin, this anti-chafe stick helps to defend against dryness and friction. Suitable for sensitive skin types, the stick utilizes a nourishing blend of colloidal oatmeal, shea butter and ginger root extract to encourage a soothing effect. The non-sticky formula is perfect for use on the inner thighs, underarms, or wherever you may experience chafe. You know what? I want to smell this. I mean, it has a bit of a scent to it, but not much. So, oh, I guess I just broke half of it off. That's another thing that I'm curious to see when it's warm outside. Will this melt? We will see. Okay, so up next is something I will not use. I will probably sell this again. So this is the Brushworks Duo Satin Scrunchies. Like, just imagine the things we could have in this box. And we got scrunchies. Like, do you not think that if I was on the lookout for scrunchies that do not hurt and that are good for my hair, you know, like silk is better than, you know, like the elastic ones, and don't you think that I would have bought them already? Like, honestly, nothing against Brushworks, but this stuff is just not appealing to me. It's just usually just accessories, and I have everything I need. I have a lot of hair ties or hair clips or brushes that they have or tweezers, whatever they have. I have all of that already, so I'm sure that there are people who are super excited about scrunchies, but that's not me. Alright, so here they are, a brown one and a cream. So this is the full size, obviously, and they're worth $4.99. These ultra lightweight scrunchies are crafted with high quality satin to help minimize friction and reduce the risk of breakage or split end hair. An elasticated stretch works to comfortably keep your lengths in place throughout the day, making them suitable for all hair types and textures. This pack includes 2 colors to suit both brunette and blonde hair. So next we have. Oh, okay, so it's an either or. So we either have the nail polish that I have here, or the Aurelia London Conditioning Eye and Lash Cleanser. I mean, I prefer the nail polish. You know me. Like, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that I love doing nail polish videos. You know, I just showed you what it looks like on the nails. I'm much happier with this than the blush cleaner. So super excited. This is the Nail HQ Nail Lacquer in Crimson. A dark red. A vampire red, if you may say so. I cannot open it. Let's see. Ooh, that actually looks nice. I'm excited for that one, so I will definitely do a video on it and, you know, like a swatch video on my nails. That's gonna be good. This is the full size and is worth $5.99. This highly pigmented nail varnish offers a silky smooth application and delivers a deep glossy finish in a rich crimson red shade. A classic for any occasion, from a formal party to everyday attire. It's cruelty free and vegan friendly. The last product, okay, so this is a mystery must-have by Mio. You either get the liquid yoga bath soak or a deluxe size of either the sun-drenched body wash, future-proof body butter, or the clay away body cleanser. Oh god, there are so many more. Are they getting rid of Mio? Is LookFantastic getting rid of that brand? So I got the clay away body cleanser. I think we had that one before. Isn't that like a grayish color? Yeah, but also this looks like it has been used before. Maybe that used, definitely been opened. Smells great though. Isn't that the one where you're supposed to put it on your body and then let it sink in and then rinse off? To wet skin all over your body and thoroughly rinse off. For more, yeah, that's it. For a more intense treatment, apply to dry skin, leave on for 2 minutes and then rinse off. Okay, yeah. I remember that, we had that one before. Which again, makes me think, how good is this box actually? You know, like, it's always the same things. My memory might not be that good, but I remember stuff like this. Alright, so this is the deluxe size and it's worth £3. This daily cleanser works to offer a deep and purifying cleansing experience without leaving the skin feeling stripped of its natural essential oils. That's all it says. That was it. That was everything that was in the box. It's not that great of a box, is it? especially like the scrunchies. Like I said, that I just don't vibe with that brand at all. I understand why they're there, right? People always need accessories like hair ties and brushes and sponges and like what is called like puffs. I get that, but how many of those things do you actually need? You know what I mean? Like we had one product from that brand in every other box. How much do you need? So that's it. You know, everything in the box you've seen. Honestly, I'm most excited about the nail polish. Right, and the rest just there. This I will only use in summer, so I cannot give you a review on that. This is a face cream and this is a body lotion. This is a body wash, so yeah, maybe next month will be better. We will see. Okay, so then everything in the box. Then we have the brow thing by Anastasia. How to use it, for example, and what castor oil does. Then we have the First Aid Beauty, an interview with Jennifer Cassidy, Senior Brand Manager of First Aid Beauty. Under the sea skincare. Oh, explore the depths of a mineral-rich seaweed extract. What was that? That was this one, right? So with that, yes, Gatineau. Minimalist staples. The people working there, they actually tested out the product and gave their reviews. Do you see the difference? I'm excited to see what it looks like on my nails. The LookFantastic Beauty Egg. Worth over 206 pounds. There's nothing in that actually excites me. Maybe mascara. Are they in trouble? I asked you several times, is LookFantastic in trouble? Because what do you mean, like a mystery Mio product? 1 out of what, 15? Okay, what's coming up is that I actually like. The LMS Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. Okay, and that was it. That literally the end of the non-existing leaflet. Pamphlet, whatever you call it. So that was it. Honestly, I'm excited for the day where I get a LookFantastic box and I keep everything. You know, like I'm once again trying to sell the Anastasia product and the hair ties. So when that day comes where I keep everything and I'm excited about everything, man, I can die happy then. It's been a while since the box has truly made me happy and excited me, and where I was like, oh my god, yes, I cannot wait to try this product out. It's just like nice. Like honestly, I'm super excited about nail polish. That's really one thing that gets me going. And the rest, like I said, is a face cream, something that I only use in summer, and the body wash. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and see you next one.